Here I am working on Old Yeller today. I'm changing out the tires. They're in pretty bad shape. I'm done. I fought and struggled with that thing. Fact is that it kicked my butt. This has been a pretty difficult project for me. Part of me wishes that I had just called a tire service. Oh! There it is, kid. Yes! Yes! So today I am changing the tires on Old Yeller. I worked on one this morning and it actually took the entire morning, and I needed help from one of my friends to get it done. These tires are in horrible shape. They're cracked all the way around, big splits, and they're bald. And so it's time. I don't want to be stranded somewhere where I don't have access to the tools the way I want. And so let's just change it now while it's under my terms. Oh, these things are beasts. Burning lots of calories, but not doing anything. Well, plan B. I took some old crowbars and I flattened out the ends and curved them and made spoons for tires. The old mason jar tire lube. Hopefully. You want to help me change the tire there, sis? You want to help me change the tire? Oh, she's so cute. Woo! Victory. Well, partial victory. I still have to get it off the other side. I want this one. Woo! Baby. Oh, we successfully got one of the tires changed and it turned out really good. I learned some things along the way, and so this tire, the second tire that I'm doing, should hopefully go a lot smoother. Now, who knows? I have the socket that I need now to remove the wheel from the loader. I'm going to go ahead and zip it off, and then I'm going to use the backhoe bucket to break the bead, which is what I did on the first one. It's high 90s, just sweltering hot. I'm exhausted. I don't know that I have the energy to finish this second one today, but I'm motivated to get it done. I've got so much work I need to do with this backhoe, and I just don't want to wait on it another day. So wish me luck. Hopefully this one goes well, better than the first one. Let's go. That worked awesome to break the bead. I love how it turns out and just takes all the work out of it. It was so cool. So I'm going to roll it over here and see what I can do to get that tire dismounted by myself. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply some of this bead lube on our amazing homemade jar bead lube dispenser. It's getting easier now. Woo! That's great. There's the first bead. I'm done.
Okay.
Ah! I want to try one more thing while you're here. I've been wrestling with this tire way too long. I'm sweaty, I'm tired, I'm hungry. I think I deserve to get this tire off. Okay guys, cross your fingers for me. We're going to do this together, okay? More weight!
I don't weigh enough. Maybe you got a little bit, I think.
Sorry for the view there, folks.
Yeah.
Try to contain your lunch.
Nice.
I do it, I'm done. Can't do it. So this morning I'm gonna tackle old Yeller's tire again. I fought and struggled with that thing and it kicked my butt. Fact is that I couldn't get that second bead off of the rim. Now the first tire, we cut that second bead with a Sawzall, but unfortunately it smoked 2 Sawzall blades going through that bead. Plus, I figure I need to learn how to get those tires off the rims without ruining the tire. There might come a time where I need to remove a tire that I want to patch and then reuse. And the only way I'm able to remove a tire is by cutting the bead, then that's no bueno. Wish me luck. This has been a pretty difficult project for me. Part of me wishes that I had just called a tire service and had them come out. It would have been so much easier and cheaper for that matter. I've spent more money in tools and in supplies than I would have to just have somebody else come and change the tires. However, I'm into learning. I'm into self-sufficiency and I want to challenge myself. So mission accomplished with these tires. So here is the most I was able to get. I know it's pathetic. This is the most I was able to get the bead off the tire when I tried the other day. And I'm going to re-lube it with a different lube and try again, hopefully a little bit better success. I bought this stuff, is called Extra Seal Extra Slick. So let's hope it's really slick. And I got a special lube brush that hopefully will enable me to get in on the inside of the bead. I got this old hand soap container, so I'll pour this goop in there. Wow. That's pretty cool stuff. There aren't any instructions on the bottle. I guess because it's for professionals and they assume that if you're a professional you know how to use it. Oh no. I just dumped the whole thing in my tire. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh man. Now I got a mess to clean up. You know what? I'm gonna make the most of it, so I'm dipping my hand and I'm just sliming up this rim in hopes that that will do the trick. Now I gotta put it on the inside of the bead. Oh, what a yucky stuff. That's so gross. Well, this is what it looks like when you dump slime in the bottom and try to apply it by hand. It looks like it may have budged just a smidgen. So I've been getting my butt handed to me again on that tire this morning. I finally went and watched a YouTube video. Something I should have done to begin with. I realize that everything is so much easier if I just would educate myself first, but for some reason I thought, oh, I just know what to do. It's the same procedure as any other tire. Well, clearly on these big tires, leaving it on the tractor seems to be the better way to go, and you can get the leverage that you need to break those beads off. And so I am going to roll the tire back, put it back on Old Yeller, and then see if I can make it work. Let's do it. Now that I have the tire mounted back on the axle, I can go ahead and try to lube it up and see if I can get it removed now, and I'll have sufficient leverage. Well, maybe there's... Oh, it's not working. I'm sweating myself to death. Just can't get that bead to curl over. There you go. There you go. All right, now pull this one now.
Why don't you guys just slice into it?
Well, because I'm wanting to do it the right way without having to ruin the tire to take it off. What happens if I want to change a flat tire, you know, or just repair it?
So you want to learn so then next time he'll be able to use it?
Yeah.
Love you guys, Daddy.
Thanks, buddy. You know that winch? If we winched it, we could pull. That's what they were doing in the YouTube video. They had a truck with a winch.
Oh, that's cool.
And they just pulled on this and had enough pressure that they were able to come back with the spoons and get it the rest of the way.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's worth the time to get out the winch, because if I hooked it up in the van, into the back of the van, and I could just pull it, but I can't get a good shot here with the van. You know, I'd have to go pull it down there and go all the way through the greenhouse.
Yeah.
And then do it. I think maybe I'll just cut the bead and cut my losses.
Call it a day.
I've given it a good effort. Oh man, you're doing so awesome. There it is, kid. Oh! You're awesome!
Ooh.
Come over here, bite here. Yes! Yes! I want to cry. I'm so emotionally exhausted.
Like getting on a splinter that's been stuck for a year.
Gosh, I feel like I just came in first in the Olympics. I want a gold medal around my neck. Around your necks, boys. Okay, so we're recording. This is exciting. Like, we're very, very happy right now. I gotta clean this up and then we'll mount on the new one.
Let's go right when we were about to give up.
I know, right? I was just like, let's cut it. My golly, we got it. I'm gonna go douse this rag in number 2 diesel fuel, which is a really good cleaning solvent. my vice grips hold it. Woohoo! One side down.
Ooh, not so bad.
No, not so
Nice job.
bad. Woo!
Now let's hope the bead is still intact.
I know. So we finally managed to get the tire on. Pretty exciting. I'm gonna see if I can get the bead to take now. So I'm just gonna put some air to it and see if it's holding, if it'll seat on its own. If not, I'm gonna try my bead seeder tool and see if that'll work. Wish us luck. I'm excited. I hope this works. I'm gonna give it a go. Let my compressor charge up. And then I'm gonna hook this up to the tire and give it a blast with the bead seeder and hope it takes. Here's my bead seating tool. We'll stick it up here on this lip like that. Give this air and give it a rip. All right, I finally got Old Yeller's tires mounted. I just could not be happier to have that done and behind me. I learned a lot in the process. It was extremely tiring and frustrating at times, but there is an incredible sense of satisfaction having it done, and I learned a lot. And so the next time I have to change tires, on the Backhoe anyway, I don't think I'll call the service. I think I'll know what to do. You wanna join our YouTube friends in laughing at me? Is that making a fool of myself? What, Jackie? You were not allowed to go fishing. Oh wait. Oh man. Alright, I'll let you go.
Thank you.
It's a good thing the camera's rolling, otherwise you would have said no. And then spanked you.
Yeah, sent you off to bed early with no food.
Actually?
No. Billy boy. Look who came to see me. Hi sis. Hi girls.
Well, we could just, burn it.
So, yeah.